try again. Try it. Something is stopping us from turning the ignition on. But Ferrari don't even know.
There's a lot of things not
Surely
plugged
the
in on the
ignition
can.
will go on though. There's no way everything on the can needs to be plugged in for the ignition to come on. Can't believe that. Turn on!
How can I help you?
It's
It is
English.
Italian, yeah.
Turn on. Turn the car on.
You can say, for example, show me directions to city, street, phone contact name, open recent calls, play song name, play artist name, PlayStation name, find me a
PlayStation.
restaurant, display car settings,
Turn on.
contact name,
Quiet.
open recent calls,
More.
play song name,
More.
play artist name.
How can the car talk but not drive? It wasn't doing anything. And because we can't get the ignition on, my code reader won't talk to the car. So the car can't tell my code reader what's going on with it. Now what? We could only think of plugging more things in. And we got the front bumper and plug that in. Now the hazard is doing its thing.
ABS